All right, well, hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is Friday, January 3rd, 2025, and I'm at Ski Liberty today, and when I pulled up in the parking lot, the car was saying it was 25 degrees out. So for skiers, you might think, well, snow is always good. Well, you don't really want to be skiing in the snow because it's, you know, it's obstructing your view. But here at Liberty, they really need to make snow every chance they get right now because of the warm spell we had. But you can see the beginner area, they're cranking out a lot of snow. These other areas, they're really pumping it out. So let's have a go today and see how many runs we can do, what kind of fun we can have. Okay, oscillate. Thank you. Well, I've done two runs down the back already, and the snow doesn't look like it's been groomed last night since they've started blowing all this snow. One thing I did find though, on the Dipsy Doodle run, they did groom that, and the snow was much nicer as far as being nice and even, and a little bit faster too. When you blow snow like this and it just sits on top, you get that inch or two of finer powder, and it tends to slow you down a little bit. So that's something I don't really care for. But I can tell they're going to have a nice day here coming up soon. The terrain park guys are over here working at it. Looks like they're even trying to open up the other park on the side there with some snow guns going, and it'll be good. All right, well, let's keep at it and see how it goes and ski through this misty snow that they're making. Hopefully they'll stop it soon. All right, here we go. Here you go. Upper Heavenly. Got it? It's raining today. Oh, okay. Looks like it didn't groom at all last night.
Probably not.
Damn. Oh yeah. Good man. Stupid shit.
One hour later.
Well, that was my 2 hours worth of skiing this morning. The snow's pretty good. I mean, overall, it's good. I'd give it about a 7, 7.5 out of 10. That's because a lot of the snow that they didn't get a chance to groom the trails. And what you end up with is like a real powdery snow on top of packed snow. So it's going to be fast and slow. But overall, yeah, it was a good day. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.